Today I'm trying to replace the daytime running light. That's the one in the center. And it's extremely difficult to get my hands in there. And especially on the right side, but also on the left side. It's easier, but I still cannot get my hand in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take out the headlight with the two screws here to have easy access. Okay, so that was meaningless. These two screws don't do anything at all. It looks like you have to take out all the screws here and take off the front bumper to be able to get that thing out, because it actually extends much lower than the bumper. So yeah, it's not an easy job. As you can see, I cannot get my hand in there to get this one out. Needed the other one. The manual in the car says that you can replace the bulbs. It tells you which type of bulbs. So in this case I want to do all of them. But the manual only says, look here, removing, replacing. They are only talking about the outside one. They don't talk about the daytime running light and the high beam. You see? So they don't talk about the daytime running lights. Very annoying. I'm talking about this one here. They are talking about, the manual talks about replacing this one, but not how to do this one. Very stupid. Get one out, the front left, with my left hand, like this. I was able to push this counterclockwise with my left hand, exactly in this way. There's no other way. And the one here on the right front, I will just do it from the wheel arch. So if you turn your wheel all the way to the right and you access this opening here, you can actually take out both bulbs. A little bit still difficult, but you have better access with your right hand to the daytime running light.